Hey guys, Winston at Carbide 3D here. This week we've got a very special visitor. Luke, who's our new product development guru, is in town visiting from the UK, and I thought I'd help him feel more at home here by making a custom sign for him. I want to help him overcome any language or social barriers that he might perceive. So let's make a sign to clarify that we at Carbide 3D are progressive and welcoming people, and we believe our bathroom should not only be unisex but also unicultural. I'll start in Carbide Create by drawing out some rounded rectangles. Then I'll add some text here, as I understand that Europeans don't acknowledge the existence of the term restroom, and then I'll bring in some SVG assets I've located from the internet. Here is a standard man and woman stick figure depiction, and then I'll copy-paste an additional stick figure to the right. I'll bring in some additional bits of vector art to decorate this third person and scale the figure slightly. Now, for the toolpaths, I'm going to select all my internal features that I want to be machined. I'll pocket them out with a 16th inch end mill. The feed rate will start at 60 inches per minute with a depth of cut of half the diameter of the tool, so 1/32 of an inch. I'm giving myself some margin to work with since I suspect this might be a little too conservative. HDPE cuts really easily and I might want to go faster. I'll also add a toolpath to cut around the outside of my sign. I'm noticing that a few of my smaller features can't be fully defined by an 1/8 inch end mill, so I'll come back with another toolpath using a 1/32 inch end mill. The feed rate here will start at 25 inches per minute, with the option of going faster via feed rate override. Depth of cut is again half the tool's diameter. The RPM is 10,000. With a 16th inch tool or smaller, there's basically no reason to ever use anything other than full speed. With these three toolpaths, I think I have everything I need, so let's get to machining. The material I'm using is some two-tone HDPE that we carry in our store. It's a 3-layer deal with 2 thin colored sheets on the outside. You don't need to cut very deep to expose the core layer. I'll load up a 1/16 inch end mill and set up my toolpath so that my zero is set up relative to my wasteboard. Then the HDPE goes on the machine with some double-sided tape and we're good to go. First, we pocket out the features in the middle. Next, we'll cut out the sign. Then we'll switch to the 1/32 inch end mill to carve out all the small features we missed with the 16th inch end mill. And before anyone else has arrived at the office, we have made a sign. Using two-tone HDPE makes it ridiculously easy to create a high contrast design, and it machines with no drama at all. But more importantly, Luke now knows that we accept him unconditionally, for the most part. Welcome to California, buddy.